Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I am Dr. Karen Lewis, licensed real estate broker with K1 Realty Group. So let me see what I want to talk about today. Okay, this is what I want to talk about today. I want to talk about, I've talked a little bit about sometimes on public speaking. So if you know me and if you've been following me, you know that I used to be afraid to speak in public. There was no way I would get in front of the camera. I remember when I had to do my first television show, I was like, ugh, I thought I was going to have an anxiety attack. I thought they were going to have to come and take me to the emergency room. They thought they were going to have to take me to the emergency room also. But I didn't have to go to the emergency room. So what happened? So I want to talk about it because there are a lot of people that are afraid to speak public. And we are real estate agents. So I'm talking to my real estate agents because I love my real estate agents. And I'm wishing for your success. I'm rooting for your success. I am your cheerleader. That even though we may not want to be a motivational speaker, we may not want to talk, but we are speakers. And we are going to have to speak to people. So the first thing we want to do, we can no longer be afraid. This is our business. If you run a business, and let me back up a minute. I was even thinking about myself, as a broker. I was thinking, I've been a broker for about 4.5 to 5 years now. And I was thinking, if I was afraid to speak in public, I would never be able to fully succeed as a broker because I would be scared to talk to people. And when I have to do training, I would be scared to do any type of training. I would be afraid to talk, and that minimizes your true success. So I'm going to say to you, don't be afraid to speak in public. You don't have to be that motivational speaker. You just do you, do what you're capable of doing, but start talking because that's going to help take your business to the next level. I always say, bring your A game in everything that you do. So bring your A game in the real estate industry. Don't be afraid to speak in public. And I think with me at this time and stage of my life, I'm free. So I am going to do Dr. Karen, and it's okay. I'm going to embrace who I am. And when I talk and do videos on social media, that's my space. So they either like it or they don't like it. I hope everybody do at least like it. But if they don't, we understand that. That's a whole nother topic. I'm just talking about public speaking right now. But don't be afraid. Speak. That's your business. And even if you don't want to get in the camera, then put your voice on camera. If you don't want to put your voice on there, put some houses on there. Put some pictures on there. But you have to get out there. I don't say it's mandatory, but if you ever want to take your business to the next level, then it's going to require you to do some speaking, and you're not just going to be able to speak one-on-one. And if you see me, a lot of the videos that I do, even when I mess up, I could go back and retrack it and do it over. But one of the things that I don't do, I don't have time to do 50 videos in 1 hour. I just don't have that time. So my video, I hope there's some substance in my video that you get something out of it, because I don't want to go back. But if you know me, you'll know Dr. Karen may mess up, but she's going to keep going. But I'm consistent in what I do. My videos, when I bring them out, I'm consistent. And that's the key, as more than me trying to perfect it. So right now, I want you to know that speaking in public, learning how to speak, just start where you're at. Don't beat yourself up, and stay in your lane and stay on your journey, and you're going to do well. Again, I am Dr. Karen Lewis. I'm the licensed real estate broker. And guess where I'm the licensed real estate broker at? I'm the licensed real estate broker at K1 Realty Group.